So hi guys, I'm back. So we're gonna play easy player, basta player OB. So guys, don't mind nala guys yung mga arengasa. Yes, let's go. So let's go na Zai. OMG. Tana down. That's right. Ayun po si Carlos, si Kael po yun yung naganap na doctor sa The Double Ganger. So guys, 20 gutian nila guys yung yung percent na phone ko. And guys, ayun, let's go. Nag-type na ako nandiyan ng easy player OBO. So pamiling muna tayo. Let's go. OMG. Ayun na guys, nakabiling na ako. Easy OB fun. Easy lang siya. So let's go. So guys, yung goal natin is hindi tayo makatamak ng white. So hindi pa yun counted nga nakatamak ako ng white. Basta yung goal natin guys is hindi tayo makatamak ng white. Color white guys ha. We only have 3 lives. 3 lives guys. 3 lives lang guys yung meron natin. Sorry lang guys dahil maaari nga sa let's go na guys. So let's go now. So ayun, hindi lang talaga natin tatamakan yung color white. So guys, don't mind the aringas. So let's go. So guys, don't mind the aringasa. Let's go. So ayun. Color black siya, so counted siya. Wala siya naman dyan, color white, so Gora. Okay. Light blue ito na.
Kapag misfix kita.
OMG, munti ka na yun guys. So, let's go. So guys, wala pa kami ng kumain. So, let's go. OMG.
Marasa.
So, let's go guys. So, ayun guys, tataktak ako. Let's go. So, andito guys si Kael. So, let's go. Take 2 yan. OMG. Nataktak ako ulit. Nagmamadali ako dyan. So, let's go guys. Take 3. Sana ma-perfect natin to. And ayun. Okay, good lang guys. Wala ko natamakan yung color green. Color white. So, let's go. So guys, kung makatamak tayo ng color white is ma-live tayo guys. So ayun guys, may white siya. OMG guys, OMG, nakatamak ako ng color white guys. And guys, pag nagdi-disappear, oh no. So guys, pag nagdi-disappear yan, nagiging color white siya. OMG, we only have 3 lives. 3 lives, guys. So, let's go. Sana hindi natin makatamak ng color white. Dahil hindi to makakounted, guys. Pag makatamak tayo ng color white. No! OMG. No! Guys, nawala na yung 2 lives natin. So, mag-reset ako. Oh, I forgot. Ma-live na tayo. The end na to guys. So, OMG! Nag-live na talaga ako. Kaya, 2 lives ko na lang yun. Yung nakatamak ako yung isa is 1 life na lang. Tapos ayun, nakatamak ako yung arrow na white. So, ayun, nakalive ako. So, guys, that's all for today. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Guys, I love you all. Bye!